We're going to start with 2 bushes, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take them and I'm going to place them in opposite directions, just like so. I'm also going to take a 3rd bush, and all I'm going to do is snip these down into individual pieces. After doing that, we have smaller pieces, and all I'm going to do is start filling in on the inside by taking these pieces and working them in opposite directions. After working in a 3rd bush, we're going to take a zip tie. You can also find these from our website, and all I'm going to do is secure that with the pointy end towards the surface. But I'm just going to take these stems and fluff them out a little bit to fill in the gaps towards the middle. Now that we have our greenery and flowers all secured, we're going to take our bow and place it right in the middle. And I think this is perfect for Memorial Day. You can also place this on your door. We're using it as a mailbox swag today. We're going to take one side of the tails and bring it to the other side so we have it matching on either side of our mailbox. Keep the other side on the left, and now we can begin fluffing it. And all you're going to do, just to show you guys, is just bend your stems on either side of the mailbox, just like that. And here's how it turned out, you guys. I absolutely love it, and it was so easy.
I'm starting with 2 solar lights. I'm going to twist off the top, and then I'm grabbing a Sharpie, and I'm just going to color in the plastic. This effect is permanent, so it's not going to wash away. I grabbed pool noodles, and I'm just cutting them down to size. You want about 6 different lengths of pool noodles. Now I want to stick them together. I can use a little bit of hot glue, but I'm also going to use a piece of ribbon. I grabbed a red plastic pot, and I'm going to fill it just with some packing paper. These lights slip right into the center of each noodle. Now I get to take all those decorations and add them into these noodles. I have this sitting on my porch. It's going to work from Memorial Day to Labor Day.
I've taken some white rope. I'm going to take my stiffy and I'm going to dunk these. What I've done is I've set out some wax paper and I'm going to let these dry. We need to find the center point and drill a hole, and we're ready to spray paint. We're back with some painter's tape. Taking one of my stars, and I'm going to lay this down, and then we will be ready to start painting. You want to make sure you cover the part we've already painted red. There's one more thing we need to do before we're completely done, and that's insert our wicks. But I'm just tickled with how these turned out.
Uh-oh, I'm out of paper towels, but I have the perfect idea what to do with these. I picked up a variety of papers that are for scrapbooking. A bead of hot glue right down the edge. Put this gently down and then wrap it around and then roll this onto it. I'm going to take a solo cup and trace a circle. I'm going to cut halfway in, and roll it. Same thing, I'm just going to take some hot glue and put a little bead of hot glue right on the top edge. Just pop your little cap right on there. And I'm just going to take a wooden dowel. I'm going to put my hot glue right down, put it inside and hold it. I'm going to take 2 pieces of dry floral foam that I've cut down, and I'm just going to put this right over the top to hold down my floral foam. Using floral pins, I'm just going to attach this, put my firecrackers in. I'm going to go ahead with some of my red, white, and blue flowers. And now I got these fun little guys. My red, white, and blue arrangement is going to add a bit of the holiday to this room.